Grade 1, today's math is quite a lot like the last math where we're going to grab a number and count how many more, but today we're going to learn there's a better way to do it. So here we have two number sentences, 8 plus 2 and 2 plus 8, and we are going to grab the first number and then count the second one, and we should be able to see a pattern here. So the first one is 8 plus 2, so we're going to grab the 8. Everyone, 8, 9, 10. So we've counted two more. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then second one, 2 plus 8. 8 is a big number, so we're going to have to use two hands to keep counting. The first number is 2, so we're going to grab the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've grabbed the 2 and we've counted 8 more. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. They both equal the same thing. Okay, so we figured out that 2 plus 8 equals 10 and 8 plus 2 equals 10. So two black ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white ones, 2 and 8 equals 10. But look, if we just take that, it's the exact same one, and we flip it around, we have not changed how many circles we have. All we've done is change the order in which we've counted them. We still have 10 circles. See, I just grabbed the same one. But the only thing we've done is start counting with the 8 instead of counting with the 2. Same number. So what does that mean for us? It means whether we start with counting with 2 and 7 more, or 7 and 2 more, these are exactly the same, except I've flipped it over to start with a different number. What does that matter? 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. What are we trying to do in a number sentence? We're trying to find out how many we have. And how many we have stays the same. Just the order and how we count is different. That's important. If we start counting this way, 3 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if we count this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we wanted to find out is the same. Which way we count does not matter. So if we know 2 plus 9 and 9 plus 2, if those two numbers are the same, we're going to get the same answer. So we could grab the 2 and count 9 more, or we could grab the 9 and count 2 more. What would you rather do? Grabbing the 2 and counting 9 more? Well, when we grabbed the 2 and counted 8 more, did you notice that we had to use two hands? And it was really hard, actually, to know how many 8 was. But when we grabbed the 8 before and counted 2 more, that was much easier. So I could do this right now. I'm going to grab the 9, 9, 10, 11. So if I know that this one is 11, I know that this one is also going to be 11. So mathematicians, and my smart grade 1s are also mathematicians, they should know, I don't think I'm going to do this one. I think I'm going to do this one because it's much easier to grab the 9 and count 2 more than it is to grab the 2 and count 9 more. So when you look at these numbers, 3 or 7, would you rather grab the 3 and count 7 more, or would you rather grab the 7 and count 3 more? What you should always be doing, because you know you're going to get the same answer, is grab the bigger number. So you're going to grab the 7. Which one would you grab here? The 8. 2 plus 10, you're going to grab the 10. 1 plus 9, you're going to grab the 9. 7 plus 2, you're going to grab the 7. 5 plus 1, you're going to grab the 5. You don't want to go 1 plus 5. You want to go 5 plus 1. So 6 plus 3, you're going to grab the 6 and count 3 more, or you're going to grab the 3 and count 6 more. Well, when you grab the 6 and count 3 more, you only have to do 3 numbers. But when you grab the 3 and count 6 more, look at all these numbers that you have to count or write. So sometimes you're going to have to write them. If counting all these numbers is hard for you, then I think you should write them. But if grabbing and counting out loud is easy for you, then you don't have to do all of this writing. So which one are we going to do? Are we going to grab the 4 and count 2 more? Or are we going to grab the 2 and count 4 more? We are going to grab the 4. So grab the 4. You grab it, and as we count, I'm going to write them too. So, ready? So grab the 4. 4, 5, 6. That's the one we should be doing. Are we going to grab the 9 and count 4 more, or are we going to grab the 4 and count 9 more? Look at how many numbers we'd have to count here and how many numbers we'd have to count here. So we're going to grab the bigger number. That's the 9. So grab the 9, count 4 more, and I will write them as you count them. Ready? Grab the 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is terrible writing, Miss J. Oh well. Look at this. Are you going to grab the 3 and count 12 more? Or are you going to grab the 12 and count 3 more? You could do this. You could grab the 3 and count 12 more. You're going to have to use your toes to help you count, but you could do it. Or, that's Mrs. Chong talking to me again. Are you going to grab the 12 and count 3 more? You should grab the bigger number first. That's this one. So everyone grab the 12. Keep counting. Ready? 12, 13, 14, 15. If you want to, on your dry erase board, get the 3 and write 12 more. You're going to come up with the same number. So you have 2 pages to do today. You look at the number sentence, and what they are saying for you to do is, well, you're going to start at the 4 and you're going to write 8 more, or you're going to start at the 8 and you're going to write 4 more. But I'm saying to you, why do that? You know you're going to get at the same answer. So what I want you to do is grab the bigger one and write those numbers. So 7 plus 3. 7 is the bigger number, so I'm only wanting you to write 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't have to write this one. Unless this is hard for you, then you should do both of them. And on this side, they want you to write all the numbers, but I'm going to say to you, if you can grab the bigger number and count the smaller number, you don't have to write anything at all. Just grab the 7, count 4 more, grab the 9 and count 3 more, and do this part with your grown-up. Okay, good luck.